Hey guys, we received this Damei Century folding camping chairs for test and try. Lightweight portable chair for beach, lawn, outdoor sports. So here this comes in this single pack. So there are two packs of this chair with individually bag that you can easily carry with the strap. Waterproof clothes, so it's easy to take in on a camping or the beach. So let me just take this out and show it to you. So the chair itself is 19.7 inches by 31.5 inches, and while folding it is 31.5 inches by 3.15 inches. So it's a light product, and it can hold up to 300 lbs of the weight. Also have a side cup holder and the nice design. So you can see this is like the nice grip bottom, and also the metal frame with this polyester or the waterproof material. So looks nice. This is the full size, as you can see, with the metal frame and nice hook. So this is a strong material. Oxford cloth is also a wear resistant and tear resistant cloth or the fabric, and the nice color as well. So this is a really nice bearing capacity with a thickened steel pipe, and also a 600D high density Oxford cloth with a reinforced non-slip mat and a portable storage bag. So here you can see from the back and the sides, and also see like from the bottom with the grip thing here. Overall my impression is good for this, and there's a side pocket where you can put the big stuff and the cup to put in your things. So it's easy to wear, comfortable for the kids as well as for teenagers and adults. So it can easily hold. It's comfortable overall, as you can see, and nice looking, comfortable with the side handles, side pocket, and a bottle cup. You can take it anywhere while you are on the go, and you can easily fold and use. Easy to clean, you can just wipe it off, and with a nice strong material. So nice water bottle holder and the pocket that adds up, and you can easily just fold it, put it in the bag, and you can carry anywhere with you. So my impression for these chairs are good. It's strong with a nice ventilation, nice cloth and fabric. So it's good for you as well, that you can try these and take it to your trip or outdoor sports and stuff. Hope you like this chair as well, as I like it, and with a strong thing. So it's easy to carry with the sideways or with the strap on the shoulder, and just go with it anywhere you want.